We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive look at the Gildan Men's Crew T-shirts multi-pack, Style G 1100. This product has earned a strong reputation with a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 based on over 300,000 ratings, making it a top choice in men's T-shirts on Amazon. The brand Gildan is well known for its reliable basics, and this multi-pack continues that tradition with a focus on comfort, fit, and affordability. Users consistently praise the softness of the fabric, noting that these shirts are made from 100% cotton in solid colors, with some heathered options containing a cotton polyester blend. This blend affects shrinkage and fabric weight, so buyers should be aware of the material composition when selecting colors. The fabric is described as soft and breathable, making these t-shirts suitable for summer wear or layering in cooler weather. They are lighter than the heavy cotton concert tees some might expect, but still maintain durability and comfort. Fit is another highlight mentioned repeatedly by users. The shirts tend to be tight around the shoulders and arms while offering a looser fit around the belly, which many find ideal for a casual, comfortable look. They're also a bit longer than typical crewneck shirts, providing better coverage and a modern fit that suits a variety of body types, including those with broader shoulders or a dad bod. Customers appreciate that the neck hole is neither too tight nor too loose, which is important for comfort and appearance. The multi-pack offers a variety of colors, including black, light gray heather, and pewter, with colors that match the product photos well and maintain their vibrancy after washing. Durability and care are important factors for any clothing purchase, and these t-shirts perform well in this regard. Many users report that the shirts wash well without significant fading or fraying, even after multiple cycles. The neck area, a common point of wear, holds up well, especially compared to other brands that may fray due to beard rubbing or general wear. Shrinkage is noted particularly with 100% cotton shirts, but this is manageable by ordering a size up and washing with cold water and low heat drying settings. The shirts do wrinkle like most cotton garments, but they respond well to simple care such as laying flat after drying. Value for money is a standout feature of the Gildan Men's Crew T-shirts multi-pack. Customers emphasize that the price per shirt is very affordable, especially considering the quality of the fabric and construction. This makes them an excellent choice for everyday wear, work, casual outings, or even as undershirts. The versatility of the shirts is frequently mentioned, as they can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. The multi-pack format is convenient for stocking up on reliable basics without breaking the bank. Some users have expressed minor concerns about the inconsistency in material blends between solid and heathered colors, which can lead to differences in shrinkage and fabric feel. Transparency about these differences from the seller would improve the buying experience. However, the overall consensus remains positive, with many customers returning to purchase more packs due to their satisfaction. In summary, the Gildan Men's Crew T-shirts multi-pack offers a compelling combination of softness, fit, durability, and value. They are ideal for those seeking comfortable, everyday cotton T-shirts that hold up well over time. Whether you need shirts for casual wear, layering, or work, these provide a dependable option at a great price point. If you have used these t-shirts, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and make it easy for you to find this popular and well-reviewed item.